What up? Big Herc 916, getting down with Muscle Up. And we're headed to another car show out here in Phoenix. Gonna hit at the Highline Car Show. It's been a minute since I've been out here, but I was trying to get out the house to get my car fixed. So we're gonna take a stroll through here. Leave a comment, share the channel, subscribe, and let's roll. So this is where most of the exotic cars are parked at. You see everything from Porsches to Ferraris, Lamborghinis over here. A lot of the cars you've seen at other car shows, but this is I guess exotic row. But then we do have a clean Camaro over here, which caught my attention. Oh, that thing is nice. Got some nice suede leather interior, some forged line wheels. Got an LT4. Oh yeah, this is a nice build. Clean. But I got that in there really nice. Same engine as a CTSV. Get another peek inside here. It's a clean build. Mercedes, E63. Looks like a E55. A little windy out here today. This Aston right here is clean. V12. Not sure which model it is. Let me see if I can get a peek around the back. Probably a dealer car. The wheels are sick. Pretty beastly. Which model is this, you know? Vantage? I think so. The new one, huh? Yeah. I think it's the Vantage. The last V12. I think it's nasty. Take another peek in the interior. Super clean. Got a couple Lambo SUVs. Classic Lamborghini yellow. One of my favorite cars right here, the SLR.
Super Soul. And once again, guys, Carson Coffee, thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to stop by the Highline Autos booth to get your limited edition Highline t-shirt. We're doing a special right now for $30 with the $30 t-shirts, $25 Highline hats as well. And again, guys, we ask that show spectators that you do not loiter or gather on Deer Valley for residents of High Street, so we can continue to host these events. And please do not rent your car in the parking lot. Respect the residents once as well. And exactly on the 11th, don't forget to follow Highlight Autos for social media.
Mercedes Gullwing, another one of my favorites, bucket list car. That's badass. Beautiful car, man.
Thank you very much. Hold on, I want to see.
SLS AMG Gullwing, man, they really did a great job when they redid this car. Beautiful car. One of my favorites. Look at this truck right here, this supercharged C10. Oh, this thing is badass. Clean. Got a classic look inside, but it's just a clean truck. Beautiful 280. Man, Mercedes did such a great job on these classic convertible coupes back then. Let's look at that interior. So classy. Beautiful. Just a classic look. Got a couple speedsters. Got a clean Mustang. 66 for sale. Got a 408 stroker. If you're looking for a shock tower delete Mustang that's been redone, restored. Disc brakes. Looks like the suspension's been done. It's pretty clean. He kept the interior looking stock, but it looks like it's been done right. Sniper setup. It's done. It's pretty classy, man. I kind of like the way he did this. And it's got the B&M shifter. Ferrari. I want to say this is a 288. That's a BB 512. Man, this is a very expensive Ferrari right here. You don't see these that often. Man, beautiful. Even got the old Pioneer EQ up in there. Wow. Gated shifter. Classic right here. $512. Man, this is a badass car. It's a pleasure to see this out on the road because you don't see these cars ever being driven. Man, 6,600 miles, man. Can you imagine? It's a time capsule. Wow. Beautiful car, man. God. So original. Got a Cayman. And then we have an F8. So we go from the 512 to the F8 right here. Both very highly coveted Ferraris. One a collector and one a future collectible. Get a peek in the interior for you guys. Super clean. All high tech as compared to the other Ferrari, which is old school. Another clean Camaro, 69. Clean, flush. So you got the bumpers tucked. Got a nice stance. Got the Kindig handles on it. 6-speed. Clean interior. Yeah, beautiful car. LT4. Yeah, they did it right. That's clean. Another LT4 in the old school. The second Camaro here with an LT4 in it. Viper SRT. got a pretty cool spec to it. Lethal. Let me know if you're a Viper fan out there. If you like Vipers. Looks like we're at the end, or it could be considered the beginning of the car show. And we have a Mercy. You don't see a whole lot of these on the road anymore either. It's got that classic Lamborghini sunburst orange on it. How you doing?
Good.
Gated shifter. Clean. I believe so. Future classic for sure. It's a new SL55. I think they did a good job on these cars. It looks pretty big when you stand next to it. It's not sitting very low, but it's got a muscle car feel to it. Let's take a peek inside real quick. I haven't seen too many of these on the road. It's got a lot of tech, it looks like, inside of it. Big screen, really nice detailed leather. Mercedes always gets it right on the interior. Let me know what you guys think about the stance of these, and if you would take this over Porsche 911 Turbo. Dip down here real quick and see what they have. This is another side street at the car show. Looks like they have a couple of Porsches and Beamers parked over here. See what they're working with. Got an Aston Martin over here also. This new Supra. This is one of the nicer car shows out here. I try to come once a month and see what they're working with. And we have an E30 for you guys. M3.
It's like 12K.
Clean. Just got through watching a video about the development of this car as a race car for the streets. These have skyrocketed in value. Super clean. Another one of my favorite Mercedes is the GT, and this is the R edition. It does everything a Mercedes is supposed to do on the track, and it looks like this one might even have some Rentec upgrades. Badass, got a cool color to it too. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. It's got a nice spec with the carbon fiber. Well, that's pretty much the car show, you guys. I'm going back to the front now again. But had a nice selection, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, share, leave a comment. Go to BigHerc916.com, pick you up some Muscle Up gear, and hope to catch you at the next car show out here in Arizona or in Southern California.
Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm traveling across America helping people wash their ass and get their booty holes clean. And I have with me here today Wash Your Ass Soap, and this one in particular is Butt Naked Scrub, but I also have Festival, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Jamaican Me Crazy, Monkey Farts, and all these scents smell very good. They will help cleanse your body of funk and also make you feel better about yourself. So if you can go to BigHerc916.com, you can pick you up a bar, and my goal is to help America combat funk.
Officially, I only got one real spanking my entire life. My mom did the best a 14-year-old could do raising me with love and instilling values that will last a lifetime. I was a straight A student and lived to make her happy. So how did I go astray? A horrible stepdad that stole my self-worth and invoked fear turned me into a person that I struggled to overcome. From skateboarding to selling drugs, gang banging in juvenile hall, I got caught the same way many young promising men get caught up. I struggled to find my identity, getting mixed up in shootouts, crime, and the adult entertainment industry. This roller coaster continued as I juggled college, hustling, and Hollywood, eventually catching a federal bank robbery case. I found redemption in prison while serving a 120-month federal sentence and came out a man on a mission. I became a social media influencer with over 500 million views on YouTube and a life coach mentoring people all over the world. This is my journey against all odds.
Go to BigHerc916.com and purchase you a bar of soap, one of the books I've written, a hat, a beanie, a t-shirt, tank top, or some detail spray for your car.